Hi everyone, there is a major update on DeepSeek is that DeepSeek V3 is now available on Together AI. So if you go to this platform and here in the drop down you can choose DeepSeek V3 and you can generate any kind of app, and the platform name is llamacoder. So many of you know this platform, but previously in this drop down DeepSeek was not there, but they have now included this DeepSeek V3 for free. And another interesting thing is that here you see that full 131K context and opt-out privacy control. So you can maintain your privacy here. And here you see that ranked number 7 in the chatbot arena and the only open model in the top 10. That means you can generate any kind of good app in this platform. And also it has given another link. Here you see try it today on Together AI. So if you click on this link, then you have to sign in with your Google account, and after that you will find this type of interface. Here you can simply chat with this DeepSeek V3. Here you see that this is the model DeepSeek V3, and also here you can change the temperature, and here you see that repetition penalty, all of these things. And here this is the section where you can write your prompt. Okay, so if I write this simply hi and press enter, and it will respond that hello, how I can assist you today. Okay, and also you will see the number of token that they are using, but it is completely free, you don't have to pay any money. Okay, so there are two links that I have given in the description box. One is for the coding purpose, and this is the llama coder, and another one is the this chat purpose. Okay, now let's move to test our coding UI. Let me show you how it works. So here you see that I have chosen this DeepSeek V3 in this drop down, and here also you can choose any kind of option like high quality slower or low quality faster. So if you choose low quality, then it will take some time, and here you see that you can choose SATCN or not as a library for building your app. Okay, so now let me put some prompt. So here you see that I asked ChatGPT to give me such 10 ideas for the app, and it has given me. So let me take this habit tracker app ideas. So let me copy this prompt and let me go here and paste it. And now if I press enter, you will see it is telling me that within a 15 second I can get my project. Here you see that it is writing the code, and currently it is using the tailwind, and which is also very popular in the market. And you see that it is ready. Okay, so this habit tracker is ready for me. Here you see that habit name, so I can give our channel name like AI Digit. Okay, and if I click on this plus, okay, here you see that it got added, and also I got this calendar. So if I click on this one, okay, here you see that the number is showing also longest streak and total days completed, completed percentage. And if I click on this Friday, total days is 2. And if I now click on this Thursday, okay, so it is getting increased, and here you see, so it is working guys. Okay, now if I click on this next, now I can go to this next month also. Now I can edit here also. Okay, so I can edit the name also here. So if I change this to subscribe, okay, which you should do if you have not till now, because here you see that in this channel you will find this kind of very interesting video. Here you see that subscribe. Okay, so it should be subscribe. Now in this way you can generate any kind of app guys, so you please try this. And another thing is that I will give this person link in the description box. So if you go to this link you will find that how they are actually generating some kind of app. They have given some demo also in their Twitter profile, so you will get understand, you will get the idea. Okay, and here you see the new example using this DeepSeek V3. So he has actually generated some apps. Okay, some calculator apps and some kind of, here you see the llama flashcard app. Here you see that blog sites. Okay, so this kind of app he has generated, so you will get the idea that how they are actually generating. So I hope you found this video helpful guys. If you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video as well. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys.